back with another video. It's been a while now. It's been a long time since I made a video. Been in the works in a couple of things, a couple videos and all this and that. As you can see, the S side right here still looking pretty much the same. It has carbon fiber, the front grille, the front piece in the front. But in this video, we're gonna be checking out something that I think every car guy should have. There's that carbon fiber I'm talking about. But today we're talking about something that every car guy should have, especially if your car is lowered. Especially if the car is lowered, and it's right here in my trunk. The link will be in the description, and it's right here. It is the ProLift 2-ton low profile floor jack. So we're gonna be checking this out. I have this in the car. Damn, I have a bunch of stuff in here actually. I have this in the car. I carry it in here, and it is known as my emergency jack. So this jack right here is for emergencies only. This is not my permanent jack. So people out there that are like, oh man, like I need a jack to work on my car, or you live in an apartment and there's not enough space sometimes, this might be a good option for you. But at the same time, I highly recommend having a heavy duty jack. Like this one's good. This one's good, you know, it's a little low profile. The reason I got this one is because low profile, and it barely fits under my freaking car, especially in the front. It barely fits under there. The jack that I recommend all you low guys out there to get, the one that a lot of people have, is this one right here, the silver one, the Pittsburgh heavy duty 3-ton low profile right there. 3-ton low profile right there. Yeah, that's the one that I use to do like work on a car in a garage. We use down to lift up majority of the cars here at the house, like my sister's car, my car, the Mustang. We could just use the regular jack over there, the red and silver one. But even that low profile one right there, I don't know if it'll reach for the Mustang. Like I said, this is a low profile one. They sell one that isn't low profile, so that one would be perfect for all the people out there that don't have their cars super slammed to the ground. But this one is perfect. So basically it works like this. Honestly, I've only used it maybe once or twice, and yeah, it costs maybe around like 100 something. Like I said, I wouldn't use this as an everyday thing. So let me just take out the palo. And the reason I got that one is because I had this one, a scissor jack back there, and I don't trust scissor jacks, guys. I do not trust scissor jacks anymore. The car started sliding, and I said, you know what? Never mind, we're not using that anymore. But all right, here we go. Comes with this palo right here. What I've seen people in reviews with this jack, what they never show is how to jack it up. So look right there, has a little notch. Show you guys real quick right there, boom. And then it's just like a regular jack. You just gotta do this. You just gotta twist it, and then boom, it should work. Oh no, wait, I forget. There's a little thing right here in the back. There's a little, I always forget about this part. That's why I forgot. Right here, there's this little thing right here that spins. And with this right here, look, it has a little line right in the middle. See that, guys? That line right in the middle right here. You use this to spin that. Spin it all the way to the right. All the way to the right, or like that, how I'm doing right here. You spin that part all the way to the right. This is the part that on Amazon reviews that people don't understand, is that you got to spin this part all the way to the right. Because that's how you when you're lowering it, you put this on, and then you twist it to the left. You twist it counterclockwise, and then it releases the pump. But right here, put it all the way to the right, just like a regular jack. It's just that you're not twisting the handle. You're just doing it down here, from down here. And then basically you just put this on right there, and then now we can start jacking it up. And look, it'll start going up. Boom, right there. Easy, easy, easy. And then like I said, look. Alright, so once it's jacked up, you take it out. Take this out, boom. Put it right here on that part that I said, and then just put it to the left, counterclockwise, and it's about to drop right now. Easy. Easy as that, guys. In the Amazon reviews, a lot of people were saying, oh, I put it in and oh, it's not jacking, it's not going up, it's broken. Well, yeah, you gotta lock this part right here. You gotta lock this part right here. So read the instructions, and I don't even remember if it came with instructions, because like I said, I got this a while ago and it's just been sitting in my trunk for a while. I tested it. I used it like once or twice already on the car on the S side. So let me show you guys how to use it. So basically, let's make it drop all the way to the bottom right now. Right there, boom. You could take off the palo and then adjust the jack where you want it to be. Look at that thing. That thing barely fits under here, guys. I don't know what other smaller jack there is out there, but this one to me had the best reviews. I watched videos on it, and yeah, like I said, I recommend this one. And I'm just showing you guys how to jack up the car right now. Always gotta make sure it's right here on the freaking on the actual like jacking point, which it's right there. Okay, we're good right there. And then now we're gonna jack it up. I'm gonna show you guys that this thing can lift up the car. It says 2 ton. 2 ton is 4,000 pounds. So, and you always gotta make sure that this right here, that we're gonna jack it up. You always gotta make sure that this is tight into the right. That part is tight into the right. The part that I'm saying to the right. And then right here, insert it. Boom, boom, and then start jacking it up. And look at that. Damn. Hey man, it lifts it up pretty smoothly to me. Look at that. Like I said, guys, this is good for like roadside. Like if you're stuck on the side of the road and you gotta check something out, this is perfect. I would not trust a scissor jack. Scissor jacks, if the road is like wrong or chueco or something's bad, bro, that thing's gonna tip over and the whole car's gonna fall over, which almost happened to me. Almost happened to me, and I almost broke my side skirt right here. My side skirt almost got messed up. That's why I don't trust scissor jacks. That's why I do not trust scissor jacks, guys. Look at that. Yeah, and this thing is lifting up the car like nothing. Hell yeah, I haven't used this in a while now because thankfully I haven't needed to. I haven't been stuck on the side of the road. Look at that. And it lifts it up a pretty good amount to change your wheels. Look at that. I could change the wheel right there if I need to. It's all the way off the ground right there. Look at that clearance on the ground. And yeah, look at that. Hell yeah, guys. To me, this is a good option if you're looking for a jack that's little, isn't that heavy, won't take up too much space in your trunk. They sell versions of it that are not low profile. This one is low profile, and I forgot the measurements of it, but it's listed on the Amazon thing, on the listing. Link in the description. It's right there. I just wanted to show you guys that this is my emergency jack. My emergency jack. I'm not using this to change the oil, to do this or that. You can, but I wouldn't recommend it because, like I said, you might run. It might not be as safe as a legit big heavy duty jack. This one is, to me, this thing is more for like emergencies. You could use this on a little car though. I honestly would say that you could use this on a little car, like a little smart car, a little Prius, a little like those BMW, those little ones, a little Honda Fit, a Bug, old school Bug or something like that. A little car that isn't really that big, that wide, that long. You could probably use it to do like oil changes and all that. But I would not trust using this jack on, let's say, like the Mustang, which weighs way more because of the metal and the body panels, all that made of pure metal. Everything, bumpers are not plastic. But right here, like a car like this, yeah, you could do your oil change with it. I just wouldn't trust it, guys, but you could jack it up with this. It jacks up pretty well. The height of it to jacking it up all the way, I'm not sure yet. I haven't tested it out, but we're gonna see right now. Hey guys, but this is pretty good to me. And look at that. If I was stuck on the side of the road, one time I got stuck on the side of the road and my exhaust pipe like got yanked off because they were doing construction. If I had this jack, it would have been so much easier to check under the car. Instead, I had the scissor jack and the whole car almost like low-key. If I went under the car with the scissor jack would have failed and the car would have crushed me, in all honesty, guys. So thankfully, I did not trust that scissor jack. Even from the start, I jacked it up a little bit and I'm like, I don't trust this. And I tried looking under and I said, what if I go a little more? I went a little more, the car slid off a bit, messed up my side skirt. So lesson learned. I do not trust scissor jacks, guys. Lesson learned. Yeah, I wish I had this jack during that time. But thankfully, there was some tire shop nearby. I went over, was able to use their jack and fix my exhaust pipe temporarily, you know, still making so much noise, rattling everywhere. But hey, this is a good jack and it handles lifting up the car like nothing. Hell yeah, guys. This is my recommendation for an emergency jack. It's what I use, what I have, and when the time comes, I will be using this one. This is a good option right here. If you guys have any more options, leave them in the comments below. Like I said, I got more content coming. Damn, the whole car's freaking chueco now. Look at that. Damn, they lifted up this side too. Look at that. Holy shoot. Hell yeah. See, that's a good jack right there. That's a good jack. I remember I tested it a long time ago. When I first got it, I got it maybe back in like October of 2024, and I've had it since then. I just never reviewed it, guys. I've been meaning to do a lot of videos, but like I said, I got more content coming soon. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Stay tuned to the channel. The name of the lift is right here. The jack, I mean, is called Pro Lift 2-ton. The numbers are right there. F767. That's the version, the model of it right here, and it's low profile. This is the low profile one. Then they have one that isn't low profile. And like I said, this is a good option if you need a low profile emergency jack. For all you guys out there with low cars, I know it's not the lowest option, and I know there's bigger jacks that could go even lower. To me, this is one of the best things you can have in your car if your car is a daily driver slammed, that you drive it slammed. This is one of the best options right here. Highly recommended. Go get one if you need one. Don't get scissor jacks. I do not trust scissor jacks. If your car comes with a scissor jack, do not trust that thing, guys. Do not trust scissor jacks. From my personal experience, I would not trust scissor jacks at all. Even my dad says scissor jacks, nah, hell no. I would not trust scissor jacks. So having this one as my emergency, perfect. And it fits in the SI. I got my subwoofer in there. I got the jackals right here. I got all my detailing stuff right here. I even got the last fit air pump right here, TK1. Go watch that video. Hell yeah. You never know. Like I said, if it's a daily driver, you always got to come prepared. And then some tools. Got to carry some tools with you too, which I have in there as well. You got to come prepared. You never know what might happen. Sometimes out there in the world, it's like a GTA server and you don't know what the hell's going to go on. You don't know what's on the road, what's happening, this or that. So my best advice is stay prepared. And this is one of the best things right here to have, just to be prepared. Even if your car isn't low, you don't need the low profile one, as I stated many times in this freaking video already. Freaking goddamn, shut the hell up already, huh? But get one. Highly recommended. No, this ain't sponsored. Don't think this is sponsored. I bought this with my own money, man. This thing, highly recommended. Thank you guys for watching the video. This thing is beast. Look, it's still holding up. This thing is beast. It's still holding up. Guys, that thing is still holding up right there. Beast that shit right there. Beast that jack. But make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. More videos coming soon with the SI. Maybe the Mustang too. That thing's looking badass, by the way. Let me give you guys a quick glance at it. Look at that thing. Steering wheel installed too. Damn, look at that. Windows are on. Hell yeah, guys. Beast mode. Let me know if you guys want to see that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. Quick little video on that little jack. Highly recommended. Look at the car. It's still lifted up. Look at that thing. Hell yeah. Beast mode. Emergency jack. That's my emergency jack for me. You guys can get it. If you want to use it to do your oil changes, go ahead. Yeah, I highly recommend it. It handles. Two tons, it handles. So I wanted to show you guys personally on my car how it is, and that's how I would use it right there to help me change the wheel. In the front, it's a little more tight. It's a little more tight fit down there, but it fits. It just takes a little finessing, but it fits down there as well. But hell yeah, guys, like I said, stay tuned for more videos. I'm trying to work on a video about the SI, how much I've spent on it so far, before I do the clutch, before I do the next things to it, which involve the clutch and maybe something else as well, debating it. But we'll see, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace out.
Now you can check the whip and peel. Damn, this nigga is ill. Get shit from the smooth as butter. Cut in and out of lanes undercover. Style, wow, my mirror, the rear view. You can never fly by, homie, I will see you. Mach 5, change terrains if need be. Thou shall never floor pass. I would the DID before you act on.